How's it going, everyone? I'm Joe, and this is Random Fishing. There we go, a little largemouth. Just made a quick stop down here at Lake Wilma, take a few casts. See what we can catch out of here. Put them back. There we go. There's a little bass. Good looking little fish here. Oh, put them back. There we go. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Easy, buddy. Let's put them back. There we go. Good looking largemouth there. Easy, buddy. There he is. Let's put him back. This one, that old wacky rig 4-inch Senko. Nice looking bass there. Put him back. Oh, easy, pal. There he goes. Put him back. There we go. Little guy there. Put him back. There's another one. Easy, pal. Put him back. There really is one under there somewhere. Oh. Easy there, buddy. Got a little guy there. Put him back. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Up under those weeds. Oh yeah. Hook out of you. There he is. Good healthy looking bass there. Let's put him back. Oh. Little guy. Put him back. There we go. Hey. There he is. Oh. Jeez. Put them back. There you go, there, little guy there. Put him back. Okay, so we got a few bass. No real giants. A couple nice ones though. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time on Random Fishing.